variety of colors, including black and white. In Pakistan, both black and white mulberries are grown and enjoyed for their delicious taste and numerous health benefits. The black mulberry, Morus nigra, is known for its rich, sweet flavor. It is packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin C, iron, potassium, and dietary fiber. The fruit is also a good source of antioxidants, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Black mulberries are believed to have several health benefits. They can strengthen the immune system, promote healthy digestion, and support cardiovascular health. The high fiber content aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. The fruit's anthocyanins, which give it its dark color, have anti-inflammatory properties and may help lower the risk of certain cancers. On the other hand, white mulberries, Morus alba, have a milder and slightly tart flavor. They are also rich in nutrients like vitamin C, iron, and calcium. White mulberries are particularly known for their high content of resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to various health benefits. Resveratrol is believed to have anti-aging effects, improve heart health, and provide anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic properties. Both black and white mulberries can be enjoyed fresh or used in various culinary preparations, including jams, jellies, pies, and smoothies. They make a nutritious and tasty addition to breakfast bowls, desserts, and salads. In summary, black and white mulberries in Pakistan offer a wide range of health benefits due to their rich nutrient profile and antioxidant content. Incorporating these delicious fruits into your diet can contribute to overall well-being and provide a